Important Amazon KDP update you want to know. What is it? Stay tuned to find out. Hiya, it's Reni here from Reni Creative. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, or welcome back if you've been before. So in today's video I will show you the new update that actually Amazon KDP recently announced. So yesterday I received an email and I will show you what it's all about. So I just go to the email and I read it to you. Okay, so yesterday I received this email. And this is what Amazon KDP said. So hello, we are sending this email since you've published the low content book within the last 3 months. Starting May 17, you'll be able to publish low content books on KDP without an ISBN. A low content book has minimal or no content on the interior pages. And the main thing here, starting May 17, you will check a box during title setup to identify your book as low content. You will then have the choice to publish without an ISBN or to submit your own ISBN. Free KDP ISBNs will no longer be provided for low content books. If your low content books are already published and have a free KDP ISBN, you can continue using that ISBN even if you make changes to your book. Learn more about low content books on our new help page. So if I click here, then actually it shows a little bit about the low content book. So what is low content book? Again, as in the email as well, but I just read it to you. So low content books. What is low content book? A low content book has minimal or no content on the interior pages. These pages are generally repetitive and designed to be filled in by the user. Common examples include notebooks, planners, journals, and other similar works. This does not typically include activity, puzzle books, or coloring books, which generally do not feature repetitive content on each page. So more details about low content books and how to create them will be available on May 17. So when the time comes, then actually I will show you as well again how does it work, and I will experiment myself and I see how it works, and I will let you know as well, guys. And also, if you have any question about that or any opinion, then feel free to let me know in the comment below, because I'm still new on Amazon KDP, so I don't know yet if it will be a good thing or if it will be a bad thing or how it will affect us. I'm not sure, but to be honest, might ISBNs for the notebooks, it not necessarily actually is most of the time I can see the ISBNs on a book, like the non-fiction, like personal development books, or like a book with a higher content. So might it can be a good thing, but you never know. So we just hope the best, but please let me know. I'm actually I am looking forward to it, what's gonna happen. So just please let me know in the comment below. So this is from me today. I just wanted to share with you because it's really important to let you know as well. Might you haven't seen or you didn't know about that. So this is from me today, and see you in the next one. Bye!